India is my country.
India is my country.
And all Indians are
And all Indians are
my brothers and sisters.
my brothers and sisters.
I love my country
I love my country
and I am
and I am
proud of its
proud of its
rich and
rich and
varied heritage.
varied heritage.
I shall always
I shall always
strive to be
strive to be
worthy of it.
worthy of it.
I shall
I shall
give respect
give respect
to my parents,
to my parents,
teachers, classmates,
classmates,
and all elders,
and all elders,
and treat everyone
and treat everyone
with courtesy.
with courtesy.
To my country
To my country
and my people,
and my people,
I pledge
I pledge
my devotion
my devotion
in their well-being
in their well-being
and prosperity alone.
and prosperity alone.
Lights my
Lies my
happiness.
happiness.
I shall always
I shall always
strive towards
strive towards
the conservation of
the conservation of
our environment
our environment
and the building of
and the building of
clean India.
clean India.
Jai Hind.
School, charity.
Good morning. Today's thought is presented by Aryaj of class 7C. Today's thought: don't think that what your country can do for you. You think that what can you do for a country. I repeat my thought. Don't think that what your country can do for you. You think that what can you do for a country. Thank you and have a thoughtful Thursday ahead.
News.
Good morning. Today's news is presented by Sanitya and my friend Utkarsh. First up, international news.
President of US Donald Trump takes first tour as a president. Oil prices rise as China's policy earnings twist demand optimizing. And some national news.
Supreme Court seeks response from Guruvar Davis from panel. Chief Minister of Bengal, Mamata thanks everyone who supported to lead India prom. Now some sports news.
After a win against Sri Lanka, South Africa head over to the World Test Championship rank 1. And some weather forecast.
Maximum temperature will be 27 degrees Celsius and minimum temperature will be 14 degrees Celsius. Wind speed is 4 km per hour and humidity will 71%. Now some today in history.
Today, India's capital was switched from Kolkata to Delhi in 1911 and in 1964, Kenya became an independent country. Thank you
and have a nice
day.
Today's word presented by Himanya, a student of class 7C. Today's word astute. Its meaning clever or smart.
होशियार. In Italian, scaltro. Use in sentence, she is an astute businesswoman. I repeat my word, astute. Its meaning, smart or clever. Thank you and have a nice day ahead. It is spelled as Astute. Today's word, astute. It is spelled as Astute. Its meaning, smart or clever. In Hindi, होशियार. Use in sentence, she is an astute businesswoman. I repeat my word, astute. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.
Good morning. Today's quiz is brought to you by the student of class 7C.
Today's first question.
Who is the present Chief Minister of Maharashtra?
No, your answer is wrong. The correct answer is Mr. Devendra Fadnavis. Today's second question.
Newly Chief Minister of Jharkhand, Mr. Hemant Soren, belong to which political party?
No, your answer is wrong. The correct answer is Jharkhand Mukti Morcha. Today's third question.
Who is the present governor of RBI? I repeat my question. Who is the present governor of RBI?
The correct answer is Sanjay Malhotra.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
सुप्रभात. आज हम कक्षा 7वीं स के विद्यार्थी आपके समक्ष एक शौर्य गीत लेकर प्रस्तुत हुए हैं, जो कुछ इस प्रकार है. आरंभ है प्रचंड बोले मस्तकों के झुंड, आज जंग की घड़ी की तुम गुहार दो. आज बाण शान या की जान का हो दान, आज एक धनुष के बाण पे उतार दो. आरंभ है प्रचंड बोले मस्तकों के झुंड, आज जंग की घड़ी की तुम गुहार दो. आज बाण शान या की जान का हो दान, आज एक धनुष के बाण पे उतार दो. आरंभ है प्रचंड. मन करे सो प्राण दे, जो मन करे सो प्राण ले, वही तो एक सर्वशक्तिमान है. मन करे सो प्राण ले, जो मन करे सो प्राण ले, वही तो एक सर्वशक्तिमान है. विश्व की पुकार है, ये भागवत का सार है, कि युद्ध ही तो वीर का प्रमाण है. कौरवों की भीड़ हो या पांडवों का नीड़ हो, जो लड़ सका है वो ही तो महान है. जीत की हवस नहीं, किसी पे कोई वश नहीं, क्या जिंदगी है ठोकरों पे मार दो. मौत अंत है नहीं तो मौत से भी क्यों डरे, ये जाके आसमान में दहाड़ दो. आरंभ है प्रचंड बोले मस्तकों के झुंड, आज जंग की घड़ी की तुम गुहार दो. आज बाण शान या की जान का हो दान, आज एक धनुष के बाण पे उतार दो. आरंभ है प्रचंड. वो दया का भाव या कि शौर्य का चुनाव, या कि हार का वो भाव तुम ये सोच लो. वो दया का भाव या कि शौर्य का चुनाव, या कि हार का वो भाव तुम ये सोच लो. या कि पूरे भार पर जला रहे विजय का लाल, लाल ये गुलाल तुम ये सोच लो. रंग केसरी हो या मृदंग केसरी हो, या कि केसरी हो ताल तुम ये सोच लो. जिस कवि की कल्पना में जिंदगी हो प्रेम की, तो उस कवि को आज तुम नकार दो. भीगती मसों में आज फूलती रगों में, आज आग की लपट का तुम बखार दो. आरंभ है प्रचंड बोले मस्तकों के झुंड, आज जंग की घड़ी की तुम गुहार दो. आज बाण शान या की जान का